Hi there, students. Smarmy. Okay, an adjective. Smarm, the noun, the thing itself. Smarmily, an adverb. And smarminess, yeah, the noun again. Okay, smarm is when you're trying to ingratiate yourself with somebody, you're sucking up to them, but you're being falsely serious, falsely sincere, falsely polite, or falsely self-satisfied. So I think smarmy has the idea of sucking up to somebody, trying to get them to favour you, being falsely serious, falsely earnest, and being self-satisfied. And I would say it's all of these three qualities at the same time. Smarmy, excessively ingratiating, unctuous, yeah? Insincere but earnest, earnestly insincere. Okay, he's a terribly smarmy guy. He's extremely polite or helpful. He shows a lot of respect, but it's really annoying and there is no sincerity to it. Yeah, he's too friendly. Yeah, he's too helpful. Yeah, he makes himself seem too superior. Yeah, so the smarmy salesman is saying that his product is fantastic. He's incredibly nice to me. He's incredibly polite to me. He laughs at all my jokes, but he has an attitude, poor little me, I don't have his product. How sad my life must be. Yeah, he's a smarmy git. Yeah, so smarmy is being polite, laughing at someone's jokes, buttering them up, trying to get into their good books, but also being superior at the same time. But all of this with an ulterior motive. Yeah, somebody who's smarmy is nice to you, not because they like you, but because they want something. Yeah, they want something from you. His smarminess was really unpleasant. Okay, obsequious, flattering, and unpleasantly smooth. Yeah, so he probably has a very glib patter. He has good words to say, and he knows the right words to use. But he's trying to get into your good books. Yeah, he's very smarmy and eager to impress people. He's a slimy, ingratiating, unctuous, crawling, greasy little turd. Okay, somebody who toadies up to you. He's a sycophant, looking out for his own. So over respectful, using too much flattery, and rather smug, rather self-satisfied at the same time. I hate his smarmy manner. Yeah, I was thinking of the teacher's pet in class. He brings teacher an apple. Yeah, that's sucking up, that's being obsequious. He's laughing at all of teacher's jokes. He's always incredibly polite to teacher. And that's because he wants a good grade. And he's also very self-satisfied because he knows he's much better than all of the other students. Yeah? So, yeah, the teacher's pet at the end of the day is a smarmy little toad, because probably at the end of the day he hates the teacher. Yeah, he just can't stand him. And that's the idea of smarmy. So, over polite, to flatter too much, to be too obsequious and ingratiating, wanting to impress, but all of this combined with insincerity. Yeah, Uriah Heep, yeah, from Charles Dickens. Yeah, he's pretty smarmy and self-important. Yeah, he's a smarmy hypocrite. Okay, he's sycophantic, unctuous, self-important, and wants something from you. Okay, his smarminess is absolutely unbearable. He turned on the smarm, yeah, and tried to get exactly what he wanted. Okay, so yeah, he's not a very nice person. Notice as well, you can use smarmy to say sleazy, of low taste, of low quality. But I think that maybe that's a more American use of it. Yeah, the smarmy eroticism to sell a magazine. Okay, so smarmy. If somebody is smarmy, we don't like them. How formal it? Yeah, it's strongly critical. Let's see. Yes, it's strongly critical. How formal? I think I would give it maybe a 4.5 in formality. I'm not sure I would use it in a very formal document. Maybe unctuous or unctuosity would be a better word. Smarmy, use it in an informal conversation or a semi-formal writing. Okay, as to origin, well, there used to be a colloquial verb, smarm, to smear with some sort of ointment, to smear oil on, or yeah, he smarmed his hair with Brill cream. Yeah, and yeah, this I think to smear with has the idea of to butter up, to smear with flattery. Yeah, to smarm. He's so smarmy. So, smarmy language, smarmy behavior. Yeah, he's just so smarmy. He's fawning over you. He pretends to be very superior and is suggesting that you're the most wonderful person. But actually, he doesn't mean a word of it. So there you go, Smarm and Smarmy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel. I hope my explanation was not too glib and smarmy, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Smarm, Smarmy, Smarminess.